Hey guys, this is Rhonda. I am doing something for the first time. No, I'm not making this live, but I wanted to come to you. I made this dish, and I make it all the time. And let me turn down her, because I love her. But I don't want her to overpower me. So I'm in my kitchen, and I made this dish, and I thought, let me just go ahead and just tell everyone what this dish is. If you like shrimp, and if you like vegetables, and if you have a Trader Joe's by you, you definitely have to go and get these ingredients. So get prepared, or you can watch it again so you can write it down. Because every time I make this dish, I have to make like a second helping. My nieces and nephews from Minnesota come in town, and they want me to make it, and it's as simple as easy, right? So my girlfriend, part of my mastermind, she was, had like a surgery on her hip, and so I took her over a meal, and she was so pleased. She's like, as soon as I'm able to get up, I'm going out to do this. So I wanted to show it to you what it is, because I think you guys may like it also, and I just made it. And so I'm doing a little cooking segment, part of the transformation that I want you guys to get used to. So anywho, basically this is what it looked like. So you can see the end result. It's shrimp, and I'm going to show you all the things that are in it. Okay, but it's a nice meal. I mean, this will last for about maybe 4 people to have a meal off of, or it'll last for a couple of leftovers. I don't like to eat leftovers more than twice, so usually I'll put some to the side and just give it to someone, or save it for my family or whatever when I go out there. So let me show you what I put in this fabulous Thai rice thing, Thai rice dish, so you can see. So the first thing is, let me show you what it is. And I think I kind of remember some of the prices, but you'll see. But this is the rice, and it's like a shrimp rice. I believe it's like $4.79, and just like I said, you can get about maybe 2 good meals out of it with a good salad, which is fabulous. But because I add so many other things in it, ingredients of healthiness, it just stretches out till you can get like maybe 4 meals out of it. So with that being said, let me show you. So it's the Thai rice at Trader Joe's. Everything here is from Trader Joe's. Now, my girlfriend was really excited about these. If you have not gotten these and you like garlic, and I also get the ones that are ginger. What they are, guys, is they're like little bitty, like ice cubes, but it's not ice, it's garlic. And so you just pop out however many you want. I usually use about 2. Sometimes if I'm making a larger meal, obviously I'll put an extra 1 or 2 in there. But I do the garlic, and I'm always real big on, obviously, olive oil. You can get a good olive oil anywhere, extra virgin olive oil. So I do that. So let me show you the 4 or 5 ingredients I have. First thing you have to do is you have to get the Argentina red shrimp. They're huge shrimp. And I break them up so one person isn't just eating like one big shrimp. I kind of chop it up with my wooden spoon and kind of make it into like about 4 different pieces. So you can get a bite of shrimp in everything that you eat, right? So the Argentina shrimp is like about $9.99 a bag, but it's a large bag, guys. And I use this probably about maybe 4 times. The other day I made me a really nice Caesar salad with avocado and vegetables in it, and so I sauteed about 4 of these. Put a little garlic cube in there, sauteed 4, put a little seasoning stuff on it, and it was delicious. So I had like a shrimp Caesar salad. So I use these for everything. I just pop them in there. If you know me, you know I'm committed to a better you. I don't eat any red meat at all. And I don't like to call myself anything. I like to call myself healthy. And so I don't want to put a name on anything. I've tried everything from vegan to everything, right? But I do eat seafood. That's what I do eat. Now that's my choice. I can show you how to do things healthier. But anyway, let me go off to another trip. All right, so here we go. We have the Argentina shrimp, which is about $9.99. So it's a kind of pricey meal, but it's so damn delicious. It's like, why wouldn't you every once in a while treat yourself? I live with these things. Now, I love fresh everything, but sometimes fresh just takes too long, and it all depends on how I feel like. I feel like sometimes I'm pressured to cook because I got this fresh ingredients in here, some peppers or something, and they're going bad. So these frozen yellow, red, and green, it's called the trio or whatever, green peppers. I saute some of these. I saute the shrimp. I always do Trader Joe's chopped spinach. I typically try to get the organic. Yes, I do. Try to get organic. I love that. And so this is something new that I just started adding to it, and I love it. And it is, and I can't remember what it is, maybe about $4 or something. but it's grilled eggplant, zucchini, and red peppers. Okay, so you see that? I would say it was probably about $3. So you got $3 here. You got the organic spinach here, which is about maybe $3. You got the, what is that, 6? The peppers is about $3. So that's that. Let's just say $10. These right here by themselves is $10. So that's 20. I think the garlic things are maybe about $3. Everything is like $3, right? So that's like 23. And then you have this, which is like $5. So you're looking at, you know, spending, what did I say, 23, so maybe about $27 for this meal. But I'm telling you, you'll have enough for about 4 different people. It's loaded with shrimp. It's loaded with healthy vegetables. It's a 1 meal deal. Throw a salad in there, whatever you want, and you got it made. I mean, put whatever you want to put in there. But that's my Thai shrimp fried rice. And sometimes when I really want to get creative, sometimes I'll scramble up an egg in a separate pot, scramble it, and throw that in there to make it like a fried rice. But it has the spiciness of Thai. So if you're not too much into spicy, this may not be the meal for you because it does have a little spiciness, but it's just perfect if you love that, all right? So that's it. Long enough. Wanted to bring to you, show you a little bit about how I'm eating, part of my transformation, and I'm looking forward to like showing you all some more things similar to this. But this is my first time out. No judgment. It is what it is. It'll get better as time goes on. I love you guys. Don't forget about my 5 ways in 5 days to change your life challenge. I want to get that in there. 5 ways in 5 days to change your life challenge, which will be happening on October 5th. Keep looking because it will be coming soon and you guys are going to love it. It's a free challenge, 5 days, and then we'll talk a little bit afterwards or whatever because I got some really good stuff that I know you guys are going to enjoy. All part of the transformation. I love you guys. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. All right? Bye-bye.